Alrighty. Here we have, I'm getting ready to assemble and make miniature banana pudding. And I've got vanilla cookies that were already pre-made dough that I pressed into the small tart pans, and I'm letting it cool off right now. Then I have my instant pudding, which I'm still mixing, and but pretty much it's formed into a nice pudding. And then I have some cut up bananas, and then I have here some extra cookies that I'm gonna place on top. So I'm just waiting for the cookies to cool off, and as soon as they have done that, I will come back to you and show you what it's all about. Okay, and so here I have placed the pudding in the little tart pans, as you see, and now I'm about to insert the bananas, but I just wanted you to see how that looks so far, and I'll be right back. Okay, so look, voila. So the little tart pans have been filled with bananas, and typically about a good 4 is good enough. So I'm going to stick that one in there and see. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to top them with just a little more pudding. So I'm going to do that, and I'll come right back to you again. Be right back. So there you go. They've been topped. The bananas are in the middle, and the vanilla cookie is on the bottom. And so now I'm just going to put one little banana on top, and then garnish them with cookies. I'm gonna, break up the extra cookies that I baked. So see, I'm just putting one little banana on top. Hope you can see. And I have one that I can put there. And since this is a little banana, I'll put one more there. And one more there. Okay. So now I'm going to crush up the cookies, and I will be right back. So as you see, I've just taken, the cookie, and I placed it in this spice grinder, and I'm just, crumbing them, making them into crumbs. Okay, so you just do that. And now I'm going to take these crumbs, if I can, hopefully. I won't make a mess here. And my cutting board is so cut up. So what I'm going to do is turn the camera off, and I'm going to sprinkle them, and I'll be right back. And as promised, there they are, your miniature 15-minute banana puddings with instant vanilla pudding. You can sprinkle a little nutmeg on there. That would be nice, but right now they're just topped with the cookie that's on the bottom. And there you have it.